This is your guy Johnson Kelvin, and here today on this video episode, guys, I just want to show you a simple trading style from my own side. Here I want to show you how to trade a volatility 50 first index, and this is a simple strategy, rise and fall. But before we start, I just want to appreciate those of my subscribers who are supporting my channel so serious. I really appreciate. And if you are here the first time watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please do wait to subscribe, because I'm always there to give you tips and updates about how to trade, and also tips and style on how to make a profit from your trading. So actually I give you this update for free, and it's not being paid for. The only thing you can do to support me is by supporting my channel, doing the following: subscribe and like, share. So that's all you do for me, guys, without wasting much of your time. I don't want to make this video long. I just want to show you a simple strategy, and this strategy I will be using an indicator called fractal indicator. So this fractal indicator is a very slow indicator. It is slow, yeah, because it takes about 2 more extra indicator for you to get a good signal. But I won't be waiting for the 2 indicators. Like, first of all, you can see the fractals that shows on red arrow down. It means that the next candle will be going down, the second candle will be going down, but you don't know where it stopped going down, and it takes another opposition throwing back upward. So you can see from here, like from here, you can see the arrows is going down, but you see that, you notice that the next one is green. You notice the next one is green. But at first you have to ask yourself the opening and the closing price of the candle. So this particular candle opened very low and closed high. This one here opened low and closed high. So the next one went down. So even if hadn't been you bought something like you bought from here, you bought low from here, you would still be able to get back to your you will still be able to make a profit, because the next candle was actually more even down than this first one. This one is down, and this one is even more down than this first one, the green candle. So you would not have lost out. So let's not just waste our time. Just do it to subscribe, support my channel, and you can also always chat me up if you have any question to ask, or you need any support from me. Like you need any question. I deal on tech and skills, anything tech and skills. That's what we'll share here. We'll share ideas and content for educational purposes only. So we don't share things that is on that's things that are not educatable, like things that won't educate you for something good. We don't share it here. So let's wait for signals. We are waiting for either buy or sell order, which the fractal is going to give us a signal. I told you the fractal is slow, so let's wait. Let's see what's going to happen. Like now, it's gonna take some minutes actually, but I wouldn't like to pause the video, so sorry. It's gonna take a little long time. We are waiting. Shit. Let's just wait. Oh, okay, let me just wait. Okay, we got a signal right here. You see this candle, this particular candle here, you can see this one here. It has a signal showing that it's going to go up. So what we are after is, we are after a low bar. Like you can see a low bar flowing by the third candle. following by the third candle lower, then followed by a higher candle, you understand, and another higher candle. So what we do is we take a buy, a rising order, we take a rising order. So let's see. All right, so sorry, I don't know, my network here is so bad. You can see my network here is so bad. That's my only challenge right now. Let's see, we'll have only 1 minute for this trade. So sorry, we only have 1 minute for this trade, and my network is bad. But at first, whenever you're trading, you must make sure, this is just my demo account actually. I started this demo account, I crashed it up till $1 because I wanted to just rise it up and use it to teach my subscribers. So without taking much of your time, I only used $1 trading this. So let's see what happens to this trade. Let's see what happens to this trade actually. Never you trade in a very bad area where you don't have a good network. It's so bad. So sorry, so sorry. I'm just trying to see if I can get a good network. Okay, okay. I think we really made a profit here. I think we made the profit here. You can see we made the profit here. So one thing about fractal, you must learn is fractal doesn't see fractal is just an indicator. It doesn't mean that it gives you all the information from the market. Fractal gives you an information like the available information at the moment, but it will change its position at any time, because sometimes the fractal is not really good in the higher time frame. So consolidation market might take place at any time, or the market might take reversal of any area, because the fractal doesn't have any power against the market. It only gives you a signal at the moment which the market is in a good condition. You understand? It's in a good condition. So fractal might only work for some few minutes, and that is why you must know how you must use lower time frame, so that your time elapses and you take your profit. Because if you use fractal for a higher time frame, it might actually go wrong, because fractal doesn't last long. It doesn't gives you all the information that this market is going to go up like for 1 hour or 2 hours. So that is why you must use fractal. Even if you must use fractal in a lower time frame. From my own advice here, you must use fractal in a lower time frame. So I'm trading from binary. If you are not a trader and you are newbie in the trading, so you can send me an email to techskillstutorial, and also chat me up on WhatsApp. I will be dropping a Telegram link. A Telegram link. You can join from there. I will share you the update on how to make money online, and I'll also share you tips on how I'm making a little amount of money from different kinds of websites that you might not really need to invest your money. So guys, without taking much of your time, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I still remain Johnson Kevin, guys. Love you.